Okay, let's create a new project on Android Studio, yes. But before that, let's take a look at the building app workflow for Android. Yeah, first we will need to set up our environment, yeah, by installing the Android Studio. Yeah, I will assume that you have already installed Android Studio Arctic Fox 2020.3. Yeah, if not, please do so now. And then after you have installed your Android Studio, we will create a new project, then writing some codes, as well as adding assets, maybe images, audios, fonts, and so on. Yeah, and then we will build and run our application. But first, we must connect to a device or maybe just running our emulator. Yeah, and then we must customize our build. We must determine whether our app is in debug or release. Yeah, usually we will leave it in the debug profile. And then we will iterate. We will debug our application, yeah, testing maybe, or doing some profiles. Maybe there is a CPU hog in our application somewhere, then we must do some profiling. Yeah, but for now, for the NMP course, we won't do profiling and unit testing. Yeah, we will only debug it as it is. If there is any bugs in our code, then we will improve our applications, writing more codes and test it again. Yeah, if our application is ready, then we will publish it by creating a version of our application, and we must sign our application, yeah, before publishing. We won't do the publishing step in NMP, yeah, so we will stop in the iterate step. Yeah, as long as our application does not have any more bugs, then we consider that our application is complete. Okay, let's open Android Studio. Yeah, and you will be greeted with this welcome to Android Studio window if you run Android Studio for the first time. Yeah, for the consecutive time, then Android Studio will automatically open the last project for you. Yeah, this is the window. Oh, sorry. You can create your a new project. You can open existing project. Here, I have installed some Flutter SDK. Yeah, that's why here I have create new Flutter object. Yeah, but in my actual Android Studio, I haven't installed Flutter SDK, so I don't have a new project or new Flutter project. Yeah, your Android Studio should closely resemble as mine. Okay, this is the list of Android Studio applications or Android Studio projects you have created. I have one here, yeah, but for now, let's just create a new project. Okay, for creating a new project, make sure that phone and tablet is selected. Yeah, it is selected by default. And for now, select empty activity. Yeah, we will create our application from scratch. Yeah, later on, after you have mastered the art of creating native Android applications, then you can experiment with other templates. Yeah, for now, just select empty activity, which is selected by default, and then click next. In the next window, we are greeted with a new project window. Yeah, here we can name our project. You can name it as you wish. Yeah, this is the name that will be shown in the Android launcher for this application. You may have spaces in your application name. Yeah, I will name this. Okay, let's see. Let's name it Hello World app. Yeah, Hello, or maybe I will name it Hello Android. Okay, and then for the package name, yeah, the package name is a unique name to identify a specific app. Yeah, the package name must be unique for all Android applications in the world. So yeah, please name it as unique as possible. Yeah, usually you will want to change the first part of the package name. Yeah, maybe for the very first time you open Android Studio, it will look something like this: com.example dot hello Android. Yeah, the hello Android will be automatically generated from your project name. Yeah. To make your application as unique as possible, please change this com.example. Yeah, and actually, it is a bad idea to leave com.example. You can use anything like com.ubaya maybe, com.ubaya or id.ac.ubaya.if for informatics student, but if it looks like if, so don't use if, yeah. Or you can name it as you wish. If you have your own domain, that you can use it here by reverse it, yeah. So for example, I have my own domain, rpgfantasy.web.id, so I will put it here, id.web.rpgfantasy. Oops, sorry. Then followed by my application name, yeah, with no spaces at all. Okay, for the save location, let me move it first. I don't like to save it in the C drive. I will move it on D instead. Android Studio. Oh, I must create a new. Yeah, I must create a new folder. Let me just create a new folder over here. Oh, I have Hello Android already. Oops, sorry. So, well, I will name it what, yeah, for the new folder, new Hello Android. Okay, where is it? Yeah, I will save it over here and then leave the language Kotlin. Yeah, because we will use Kotlin for the rest of this course. And then for the minimum SDK, you may want to leave it as it is. Yeah, API 21, which is Android 5.0, or we know it as Lollipop. So the API level, API 25 or API 27 as shown here, it means the Android version. Yeah, the minimum API level means the minimum Android OS version that will support your app. Yeah, so for example, if I leave my minimum SDK to API 21 here, yeah, that means that users that have at least Android 5.0 or Lollipop installed on their Android device will be able to install my application and run it as well. Yeah. Yeah. Usually, you will want to have as much devices as possible. Yeah. Android Studio will tell you. Yeah. Your app will run on approximately 94.1% of Android devices. Yeah. If you choose higher API level. So for example, like API 30, which is Android 11 or R, yeah, our application will only run on less than 1% of devices. Yeah, I don't think everyone have already gotten Android 11 or R. Yeah, my smartphone actually stuck on Pi, so yeah, some older devices may be stuck at some specific Android Studio versions. Yeah, so it is better to leave it at API 21, Android 5. Okay, and then click Finish. Yeah, in the meantime, while Android Studio is compiling or preparing my project, yeah, I remind you that you should not use com.example package name. Yeah, if you plan later to publish your app to Google Play Store, Yeah, do not use the default package name, which is com.example. Yeah, Google forbids applications that are still using the default package name, so you will not be able to upload your application file. Yeah, if by accident you already use the default package name comp.example, please rename your package name. Yeah, please open this developer Android website to rename your package. Okay, I will explain about the minimum API level. Yeah, the minimum API level means the lowest Android version or API level on the user's device that can install our application. Yeah, so for example, yeah, as I said previously, my minimum API level is API 21 or the Android 5.0, which is Lollipop. It means that users with Lollipop installed on their Android device can install and use my app. Higher API level means more widgets and features available, yeah, but less distribution. Meanwhile, in lower API level, it means more devices can run your application. Okay, after clicking finish, Android Studio will start a gradual sync. Yeah, if you do this for the first time, you may be downloading something from your Android Studio. Yeah, because I have previously created a new application or new project in my Android Studio, so it finished very quick. Yeah, but for the first time, yeah, you will download the Gradle system itself. It may take a couple of minutes, yeah, maybe 5 minutes, and you must be connected to the internet at this point. Yeah. Okay, Android Studio will sync your project's Gradle system with the latest Gradle when available. Yeah, Gradle will be explained later. This is automatic. You don't need to do anything. Please watch the progress at the bottom right side of your Android Studio window, which I cannot show you here because Android Studio have already finished gradling my project. Yeah, so this is the shortcut. That is a shortcut shows that Gradle is downloading something. Yeah, just wait until it is totally finished. Yeah, and hopefully without errors. If you have any errors, you can ask on the Hangouts group chat or everyone else, please comment below. Yeah? Okay, so Gradle is actually a build system. It is responsible for compiling the source files, which is in .kt for Kotlin files and .java for Java files, into one compressed file which we know as APK, Android Package Kit. Yeah, this is one file that contains everything to run our application. User can install the APK files to their own device. And it also ensures the Android project files, plugins, and their dependencies, if any, are up to date and works well. Yeah, on some occasions, for example, like the first time, or maybe you install a new plugin or libraries, yeah, Gradle must be connected to the internet. Yeah, so please remember this. Yeah, only on some occasions. If you don't install anything, then you can safely disconnect your internet. Yeah, in the next video, after Android Studio has finished creating your Android project, yeah, we will take a look at the Android Studio user interface and project structure. Yeah, make sure that your Android Studio has finished preparing your project. Yeah, then you may continue to the next video.